How to edit your Shopify store photo. First of all, open Shopify, and after that what you need to do is to click on online store and tap on themes, and after that click on customize from here, and I will show you step by step how to edit your footer Shopify store and make it more stylish and professional. And if I scroll down from here, I have the footer. Click on it, and as you see, this is our footer section, which is this is all the space for a footer section. And from here, if I click on the add a block, what will show up to me from here, we have blocks, which is you can add menu, and you can add brand information and text and images, and you can add apps. If you have certain apps, you can add them right here. And for example, you can add section as well. If I click on add section, and you can add custom liquid. If you have custom liquid, custom code, you can add it. And if you have email, and if you want to add email sign up as well, click on it, and it will show up to you right here, which is subscribe to our emails. From here I will remove section from here. Click on it, I will remove it because I already have it. And from here I have quick links. From here, if I click on it, I can change the name or make it bold right here. And from here you click on this little three dots, and you can duplicate or hide or remove. I will click back, and from here I will click on the footer. Click on it, and inside the footer will show up to me the color, which is scheme 1. Click on change, and you can change the background color of the footer, which is I will change it to this color, for example, as you see, or you can change it to a black color, as you see. And this is look very professional. And if I scroll down, and we have the email sign up, you can disable it from here if you would like. I will enable it, and you can change the heading from here and make it more bold right here. And scroll down, and you can enable follow on shop. And scroll down, and we have social media icons. If you want to show social media icons right here, you need to enable it. But in order to disable your social media accounts, you need to link them in your theme setting, which is click on theme settings, and after that he will take you to the theme settings, and scroll down until you find social media right here. And from here you can add your Facebook, Instagram. I will add my Instagram, for example, link real quick. And as you see from here, I have my Instagram icon right here. He added it for me, and I will get back right here on sections and scroll down, and we have the footer right here. Click on it again and scroll down, and from here he will show up to me the country and region selector, which is this section. As you see, country and region, which is your country, and the currency as well at the same time. And from here you can enable it or disable it. And in order to add country and region, you need to go to the market settings, and from there you can add any country you would like, if you want to add certain countries or all countries at once. And from here we have language selector, and to add a language you need to go to your language settings, and from there you can add as many language as you like. And we have the payment methods, and you can show payment icons, PayPal, Stripe, credit or debit card icons. But in order to do this, what you need to do is to click back, and from here scroll down and tap on add a block, and tap on image on the fourth option, image. And from here will show up to your image right here. Click on the image, and from here tap on select image, and you can select, if you have badge consist of Stripe and PayPal and credit or debit card icons, you can add it right here. For example, I will add this one as example, this picture. consider it this is the badge of the payment method, and after that will show up to you right here. Click on, and from here you can change the image width right here. I will make it more wide and tap on save on the right top corner, and after that scroll down and you can make it on the left, in the center or right, or you can remove a block. I will click back and I will scroll down all the way to the end and tap on footer, scroll down until we have the policy links. And to add store policies you need to go to your policy settings, and from there you can enable it from here, and after that you can click on policy settings and you can add policy settings, and from here we have view options. You can change them easily. You can see what is fit you, and what I will do is right now, and if I click on this little three dots and tap on hide, and you can hide the whole footer if you want. And from here what I will show you is click back, and after that you need to enable this, which is you need to activate inspector right here, and click on this quick links, and after that will show up to you from here the quick links, and you can change the name, and you can change it from here, the menu, change the menu or remove the menu. Click on change and tap on change menu, and from here you can change it from the footer menu to the main menu as you see, and tap on select. I will leave it on the footer menu because this is what we want. Click back and I will click on the footer menu on this option. Click on footer menu right here, and he will take you to another step which is very important, which is if you want to add policies or legal pages in the navigation option inside the online store. Click on it, and after that head over and click on navigation, and after that from here he will show you the footer menu and the main menu. Click on the footer menu, and inside the footer menu we have the search page and the terms page, which is if I get back to my store will show up to me right here the search page and the terms page, and you can add more pages. For example, I will add menu item again, and I will click on the second option, and I will click on pages, and I will add my order tracking pages. I will tap on add, and after that tap on save, and after that I will get back from here and I will refresh it, and after that I'll scroll down all the way to the end, and what we will find is we have the order tracking page right here as you see, and basically that's it. This is how you do it and make the footer menu more professional and stylish. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.